In this video, I will show you how to create a very colorful photo frame using just Lego bricks and little slopes. I will also make a little stand for it. Let's build. Here is a list of bricks and pieces I'm using for this photo frame. First step is building a base for the frame. And then adding slopes for the next row to give it some style, making it easier to slide the photo into the frame. The base of the frame is complete, and now it's time to add the little slopes for the finishing touch. I have gathered 192 little slopes. It sounds like a lot, but looking at the small pile, it doesn't seem that much. And this is the fun part. There is no pattern for adding the slopes. The only rule is avoid putting the same color next to each other. And mix up the angles to keep it random and vibrant. And here it is, complete. I just need to build a stand for it. It attaches very easily. You can even hang it on a wall by adding this simple hanger piece. I personally prefer to keep my photo frame on my side table near window. This photo frame is so lovely for displaying your favorite photos, and it also adds a splash of color to any space. It is one of the kind Lego creation and no one else has one like this. Thank you for watching.